Okay, so we will talk about also in when we are going to talk about the evolution of so we should also talk about the evolution when we are talking about evolution of Indian economy. We should also talk about the sustainable development goals in India. So we, as I said, that is the chapter 3 we are talking about. So yes, sustainable and development goals and India. Okay, so as I said, they are also called as SDGs. Okay, so they are also known as global goals because why global goals? Because they are universal goals which are a call to action. So this is called as call to action. And why has it been done? To end poverty. Okay, so yeah, and we all have to, this is the global goal, and this is the goal where you have to protect the planet, not only India. So if we can eradicate the poverty in India, so one by one all the countries will be poverty free. Okay, so that all people, they enjoy the peace and tranquility and prosperity. Okay, so as I told you, there was the total goal of MDG goals when we were talking about, and 17 goals were there, and the goals are interconnected with each other, so they work for the spirit of partnership. All country will amicably talk to each other and fight for, between this to fight that eradicate this poverty, and in a sustainable development where future generations are also very happy. Okay, so here there is a clear guidelines which is given and targets to all the countries to adopt in accordance according to your priority to finish off the goals as soon as possible. Okay, so SDGs, yes, that is Sustainable and Development Goals. SDGs are an inclusive, agenda. So it is like a very very important thing for India and all the countries. Okay, because and they have to, there is a partnership of all the countries and they have to do. So now what you have to do? What is the SDG all about? So let's talk about SDG is to eradicate the root cause of poverty. Okay, and it is like a positive change. So positive change for both people and planet. Okay, so poverty eradication, this is a big program, students. So they will ask you also by 2030 the entire planet should be poverty free. So this will be asked in a question also. So that is like, and who has done this? UNDP, we had already discussed, the United Nations Development Program. And what is their agenda? To see that all the countries, all 189 countries are completely developed and they are free from poverty. Okay, so this is the agenda which offers a unique opportunity, okay, to put the whole world on a more prosperous and a sustainable development path. Okay, and definitely India is the forerunner here, and yes, India is participating, a lot. So there are 17 goals. Okay, now India's goals have increased to 17 now, and these are 17 SDG goals. So let me write down here 17 SDG goals. Okay, so the first one is no poverty. Okay, the second one is zero hunger. Okay, third one, good health and well-being. Yes, very important. So remember, this time the goals have increased. So SDGs are sustainable development goals, and there are 17 goals. So we'll write one by one and we'll see it together. Okay, yes, fourth is quality education. Fifth is gender equality. Okay, so let me just keep rubbing this. Okay, we'll come to the sixth point. So I remember there are 17 goals, so one by one we'll take it by, yes, clean water. Okay, so if India has achieved this goal, India will help the other countries to achieve. Okay, so India, and that way the production will also increase, they will have good tie-up. So it's a mutual partnership between all the countries. Okay, so clean water and sanitation. And if we are achieving the goals with all the countries, automatically our country will also grow, right? So it's on a win-win situation sort of a thing. Okay, so we'll go with the seventh one, that is affordable. Yes, so electricity should be very affordable. So affordable and clean energy. Okay. Eighth one is decent work and economic growth. Okay. So decent and economic growth is very, very important. Okay. Then what about industry? So industries also, how can we just forget about industry? So industry also should be there. So industry innovation. So new techniques should come up. So industry innovation and infrastructure. Okay. So industry innovation and infrastructure is very important. Let me just rub this. Yes, we'll come to the 10th point. So we are pretty near now. So another 7 points are left. So let's see the next one. That is reduce inequalities. Then the 11th one is, when obviously you can talk about sustainable cities. Okay. So these are the cities, these are smart cities, where everything is there and it is sustained, your livelihood is sustained in these cities. So sustainable cities and community building. So we have to build up communities, also think about the society, think about our people, our community. So yes, sustainability or sustainable cities and communities. Then 12th one is responsible consumption and production. Okay, so the next is 13th. We'll go one by one at a time. Okay, the next is climate action, and I will discuss this in detail. So let me just tell you how many are there. So 17 SDGs are there. So 13 is climate action. Fourth is life. So we have to take care of marine world also. Okay, so fishes, so life below water. Okay, so that is also very important. Yes, so let me just wrap this. So we have another 3 points to discuss and we are done. And then we will analyze one by one what it is all about. Yes, the 16th point, that is place justice and strong institution. Okay, and the last point is partnership. So yes, there must be partnership for the goals. So yes, this is like, as I said, 17 goals are there. Okay, and one by one we have to see that how it is being analyzed. Okay, so as I said, there are 17 SDGs. Okay, and now we will analyze one by one. So the first one we will take here. Let me grab this. Okay, so the first one we will do is goal number 1. So poverty. So as I told you, it's already told that by 2030, that is our goal. So 2030 we have to reduce at least by half the proportion of men, women, and children of all ages living in poverty in all dimensions. Okay, so there must be nobody, according to the national definition. So all dimension means roti, kapra, makan. So food, clothing, shelter, everything. So by half at least, so all the men, women and children, they should be free from poverty. Okay, so there must be poverty alleviation programs, and there must be substantial coverage for all the poor people by 2030. And we must ensure that there must be right to economic resources. They should get all work so that they all become self reliance. So they must get properties from the government. They must inherit properties and land and houses. National resources or natural resources should be there, so that they have free energy, drinking water and everything. Financial services also, so we should also help them. So let's see how we help them. Let's see how we can overcome this. So let me reduce this. Yes. So how do we do this? How do we overcome the poverty? So access to basic services. Okay. Second, ownership and control over land and other forms of property, inheritance, natural. So natural resources are also there. So if you give them natural resources, so obviously everything they have. So this is the way we can help them to develop and see that poverty is completely reduced. Okay. Yes. Appropriate new technology. So there must be appropriate, and yes, financial services. So they must assist. You must assist financial services. Okay. And you must also have microfinance. So microfinance products, so that everybody gets a minimum amount or minimum wages. So that is called as microfinance. Okay. So that is the, this entire thing, like shocks and disasters like coronavirus and all this. So here the government, because the poor people are becoming more poor, so all the natural disasters should be taken care. And so that there must be mobilization of resources. Each and every person should get the resources to the last corner of the country. Okay, so that should be, and this way only we will be able to end the poverty. Okay, so we have to make this, and there must be a no gender difference, and there must be strategies to see that more and more investment projects are done to remove the poverty from the poor people, and eradicate this completely. Okay, let's come to the next one. Yes, this is also related to poverty only. Zero hunger. So let me rub this. Yes, the second one. Zero hunger. So this is also, the target is given by 2030. So what is the meaning of this? We have to end the hunger and ensure access by all people. Okay, in particular in vulnerable situations. So you have to see that now how you're going to remove the hunger by way of malnutrition. So most of the people are having vitamin deficiency. So vitamin should be provided. Good food. Okay, good food, no wasting. Now recently in China, they have started this new thing called as